guys, another day, another millions. So, wala ta karon dere. Kay Max Scalping ta. Waiting ta karon sa kung break siya sa itong gibuhat nga ORB. So, naka-ORB niya nga to ang guys. Okay, it's going to break. Okay, it's going to break. Yeah. And wala siya na break. So, magkanta. I have an account. Sa account sa taron guys. Kay okay, where is the another account? Guys. Another day, another dollar. So, let's buy back. Buy. Buy ta. Kayo, may restriction rate. So, buy ta, then take profit at the game. Pero kung ma-break siya dali, so stop loss na to is there. 331. So stop loss, let's make the stop loss is 3331. Up to 100 pips lang. Then take profit tayo dito. Tingnan. Malayo na kayo. Okay. So practice din siya guys. So, take profit na to. $1. Okay. Look. Nag-respect siya dire. So it's going up. Then let's wait kung asa siya mag-break. Kung mo-break siya din so we're selling. Pag mo-break siya din it's buying. Another day, another millions. Okay. Another day, another millions na naman tayo rito. Yeah. Pili na ko kinim nga strategy ang fit manggod sa kuha. Thank you for our friends who introduced this strategy. And thank you guys. Thank you. God bless.